Honorable Michael, is it true that Riek's house in Juba has been surrounded?
Why are you asking me, Maamshi Shufu?
Who am I to go to his house?
You are a journalist, you are supposed to go there and see for yourself. Don't listen to rumors. Go there, see for yourself. If it is surrounded, you will see it. If it is not, you will see it.
It's a question and we just want you to say yes or no.
Why are you asking me and you don't want to go there?
You are the Minister of Information and we would like to hear from you.
This is your work as journalist. When you hear any news, you verify them by going to the site. Is it difficult for you to go to House of Rep?
It is difficult for us and we don't know how to go.
It is not difficult because the road is open.
No, it's good when we confirm it from you.
You go and confirm yourself. You can give us from here now, go and see for yourself.
Honorable Michael, what we need from you is the official confirmation and nothing else.
What do you mean by official confirmation? Will it be more official than you seeing?